Good morning, students. In Standard 8 English Medium, there are some MCQs. First chapter of Chitrapadani 1. So, see the pictures and give the answer. So, what is the notice? Write correct answer from the options given below. Okay. Now, I will given 4 options and you have to select right answer up to 4 answers, okay, according to questions. Now we will see some MCQ, okay. See, first you have to see some pictures, okay. You have to see some pictures. What is this? This is first A, Pratikruti, B, Pratima, C, Mata, and D, Swasa. So what is the right answer? Means here is Pratima. B is the right answer, okay. Now second one is, you see the window, okay. So here the option is window, second door, 3 C gate, and D Vatavana. So what is the right answer? This is the right answer of 2 number is A, means window, okay. Now see the third MCQ. In third MCQ you have to see the girl, okay, here. And now the answer is Balaha, Naraha, Mahila, and Balika. So what is the right answer? Balika, okay. Now 4 MCQ. Here you see the picture Sukaha, okay. Sukaha means parrot. See here the option is Esaha Sukaha, Eshaha Mayuraha, Eshaha Kakaha, and Esa Chatka. So what is the right answer? The right answer is A, Eshaha Sukaha, okay. Now we come into 5th MCQ, and the 5th MCQ you have to see the picture of dog, okay, and we call the dogs in Sanskrit Shvanaha, okay. See here Svanaha, okay. Now option Eshaha Shinha, Eshaha Sinhaha, Eshaha Swanaha, and Eshaha Aswaha. So what is the right answer? Eshaha Swanaha. C is the right answer, okay. Now in 6th MCQ you see the picture of elephant, and in elephant in Sanskrit we can say Gajaha, okay. Now only one elephant, so I give answer is Eshaha Gajaha, okay. First option is Eshaha Aswaha, Aswaha means horse. Eshaha Gajaha, Gajaha means elephant. Eshaha Gadarbaha, Gadarbaha means donkey. Eshaha Mayuraha, Mayuraha means peacock. So the right answer is what? Eshaha Gajaha. B is the right answer, okay. Now 7 option is, you see the picture of horse, okay, and in horse, what is the meaning of horse in Sanskrit? Aswaha. So what is the right answer? Aswaha means horse, Sinha means lion, Vyadra means tiger, and Aja means god. So here which is the right answer? The right answer is A, Aswaha, okay, A. Now in 8 MCQ you see the picture of one student, okay. Sikshakaha, option is Sikshakaha means teacher, Balaha means boy, Chhatraha means student, and Chhatra means student means बालिका, ओके. जो स्कूल में लड़की यूनिफॉर्म पहनती है तब उसको छात्रा कहते हैं, ओके, मीन्स विद्यार्थिनी. नाउ सो द राइट आंसर इज 8 MCQ इज सी, छात्रः. नाउ in 9 MCQ सुकः इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? सुकः means parrot. So you have seen them option sparrow, crow, parrot, and cuckoo. So what is the right answer? The right answer is sukah means parrot, okay. So the right answer is parrot, okay. Now swanah, स्वानः इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? मीन्स स्वानः का मीनिंग क्या है? Okay, what is the meaning of Swanah in Sanskrit? So here the option I have given, God. Okay, God is wrong, means God means what? Aja. Dog means kutta. Okay, cat means billi, and rabbit means sasaka, means okay. So what is the right answer of Swanah? The right answer of Swanah is dog. Okay. Now next, Gajah. Okay, Gajah इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः, मीन्स what is the meaning of Gajah in English? Okay, Gajah. Here I have given option elephant, okay, horse, Ganesh and bullock. So what is the right answer? The right answer of Gajah is elephant. Okay. Now next one is Aswah. Aswah इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? Aswa iti sabdasya kaha artha, means what is the meaning of aswaha? The meaning of aswa is tiger, no. Lion, no. Cow, no. So what is the right answer? Aswaha means horse. So horse is the right answer. Sachika. Sachika iti sabdasya kaha artha? So what is the meaning of Sachika in English? Okay, here I have given option file, okay, notebook, book and pen. Means Sachika means file. Okay, the right answer is file. Okay. Now write the peacock word in Sanskrit. Okay, what is the word of peacock in Sanskrit? See the option. Mayurah, okay, Ajaha, Sukaha and Chatkaha. So what is the right answer of peacock in Sanskrit? The right answer of peacock is Mayurah. So our right answer is Mayurah, A. Okay. Now find the English meaning of Utpitika. Okay, Utpitika का English meaning क्या है? What is the meaning of Utpitika? First option is chair, okay, desk. Second one is C, window, and third uneasy. So what is the right answer of Utpitika? Means table. Okay, means desk. Desk is the right answer. Okay. Now in Chitrapadani 2, in also choose the correct answer from the given option. Here you see the picture. There are so many children. Okay. So here the right answer is what? Balaha. Okay. The right answer is what? Balaha. Okay. Now the second one is here the picture of mango. So in Sanskrit we can say Draksha Phalani, no, means grapes. Narang Phalani means oranges. Amra Phalani means mangoes, and Pustakani means books. So what is the right answer? The right answer is what? Amra Phalani. Okay. So what is the right answer? Amra Phalani. Okay. Now third picture you have to see so many gods, not only one god. Okay, Ajaha. So here Gajaha means elephants. B, Ajaha means gods, not only one gods, three, okay, one or more gods. So here we, what is the right answer? B, Ajaha. Now fourth, okay, fourth is Sasakaha. There are so many rabbits, okay, not only one rabbit. So Chatka, B, Hansaha, C, Sasakaha and D, Ajaha. So what is the right answer? C, Sasakaha. Okay. Now fifth number, here the picture of sparrows. Okay, and in sparrows Sanskrit we can say Chatkaha. Not only one sparrows, here there are so many sparrows. So here Sasakaha, Hansaha, Chatka and Chatkaha. So what is the right answer? The right answer is Chatka. Okay. Now in 6th MCQ, there are so many books, not only one book. So here the option is Pustakani, Pustakam, Patrani and Chitrani. So what is the right answer? The right answer of 6 MCQ is Pustakani means A. Okay. In 7 MCQ, you have see some utensils or vessels, and in vessels we can say in Sanskrit Patrani. Okay. So in 7 MCQ the option is Chitrani, Patrani, Patram and Chitram. So what is the right answer of 7 MCQ? The right answer is B means Patrani. Okay. And in 8 MCQ there are so many ladies, not only one lady. Okay. So here Kanyaha, no. B Balaha, wrong answer. C Mahilaha and D Naras. What is the right answer of 8 MCQ? The right answer of 8 MCQ is Mahilaha means ladies. Okay. Now in 9 MCQ, Pustakam iti sabdasya bahuvachanasya rupam kim means the plural form of Pustakam means what is the plural form of Pustakam? Okay, the plural form of Pustakam is Pustake, no, Pustakani, Pustakam and Pustak. The right answer is 9 is B. Okay, Pustakani. Okay, Aham iti sarvanamasya bahuvachanasya rupam kim. Okay, what is the plural form of Aham? Aham means Yuyam, Avam, Dvam or Vayam. So what is the right answer? The right answer of Aham plural form is D. Okay. Now in 11 MCQ, Ajaha. Ajaha iti sabdasya kaha arthaha means what is the meaning of Aja in English? Okay, only one god? No, there are so many gods. So here we use god, no, gods, parrots and horse. So what is the right answer? B is the right answer, Ajaha. Okay. Now in 12 MCQ, Chatkaha iti sabdasya kaha arthaha means chatka. Okay, Chatkaha, not only one chatka. Here the option is A sparrow, B parrot, C sparrows and D manna. So what is the right answer? Chatkaha means sparrows. The right answer is chatka is C. Okay. Now 13 MCQ, Mahilaha iti sabdasya kaha arthaha. Here Mahilaha is in plural form, not only one lady. Here there are so many ladies. Okay. So here the option is A lady, B ladies, C child and D girl. So what is the right answer of Mahilaha? Mahilaha means ladies. Okay, not only one ladies. Now in 14 MCQ, write the Sanskrit meaning of pictures. Here I have in pictures. How can we say in Sanskrit the meaning of pictures? Okay, write the Sanskrit meaning of pictures means Chatkaha, no, means sparrows, Chhatraha means students, Patrani means vessels and write Chitrani. Here is the right answer, D means Chitrani means pictures. Okay. Now in 15 MCQ, write the Sanskrit word of your own. How we speak? Means I am a girl, for example. Means if our own, we use the word I in English, and in Sanskrit we use the word aham. Okay. So the right answer is 15 MCQ is aham. Okay. I hope you understand Chitrapadani 1 and Chitrapadani 2. Okay. You have to read this PDF only your examination also. And if you have any query, you call me. Now